choose ko ilang pumps or dips ng makeup yung gagamitin ko. Pero with the twist kasi mag-attend tayo ng simbang gabi day 5 ngayon. First one is primer. Let's see kung ilang pumps. 1. Sa kamay ko na lang siya iba pump. 1. Good luck na lang talaga ako sa mapunta to. Next step naman is bronzers. Fast forward ko na kasi medyo matagal yung filter. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Since matagal gumana yung filter habang biniblend ko to, let's see kung gaano karaming blush yung i-apply ko. Blush, 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 blush. Magsisimba tayo, te. Okay, I think 8 dots na lang ng blush yung gagawin ko. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Bakit may number? Tapos ko to i-blend. Let's see kung ilang pumps ng foundation yung gagamitin ko. Pump nito. Apply ko lang to sa aking buong mukha. Let's see naman kung ilang swipe ng concealer yung gagamitin natin. Sana sakto lang din. Yes! 3. Kulang ata yun. 1, 2, and then 3. Let's see kung gaano karaming dips ng powder yung gagamitin ko. 5. First dip. Okay. Dip number 2. Perfect. Dip number 3. And then dip number 5 dito na ako kukuha. Okay, for my powder bronzer naman, let's see kung gaano karaming dips yung pwede kong gawin. 5. Carry. 1. Yan. 2. 3. 4. And then that's it. 5. Next step naman is powder blush. Let's see kung ilang dips. 7 dips. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. 4. 5. 6, yun, 7, the last one, 7. Feeling ko kaya rela. Next step naman is mascara. See kung ilang swipe yung pwede kong gawin. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, parang walang nangyari. Mag-apply lang din ako ng eyeliner. Hindi ko na isasama to kasi hindi ko alam kung paano siya isasama. Tanggalin ko na yung foundation sa aking lid. Next is lip liner. Let's see kung ilang swipe yung pwede kong gawin. 4. 1, 2, and then 3, and lastly 4. Second to the last is lipstick. Let's 2. Sakto lang, kaya rela. 1, and then 2. Last and final step is setting spray. Ano kaya? Ilan kaya? 3. 1, 2, 3. Tapos na ako magayos. I think this is the final look. Mukhang kere ko naman lumabas sa ganito yung aking itsura.